name is Marcus, and you do it auto repair, and I have a special video for you today. Now, what we're going to talk about today is the #1 term that mechanic shops use to rip people off, and that's the word tune-up. Stay tuned. Now, the word tune-up today, and most shops and most mechanics throw that term out because consumers really don't know what a tune-up is. Ask yourself, what is a tune-up? Okay, now back in the 1980s, they used to use the word tune-up a lot. Oh, and this is what tune-up means. Tune-up means changing your spark plugs, changing your ignition wires, changing your air filter. But back then, a set of ignition wires only cost like 25 bucks. But now, most cars don't use ignition wires. Now we have ignition coils. So one ignition coil can cost you, on the low end, like 75 bucks. On the high end, they could be like 150 each. So do you really want to change all of your ignition coils when you don't have to? Customers call us and tell us they need a tune-up. We tell them, hey, you need to bring your car in so we can do a diagnostic so we can find out exactly what the problem is. To most shops, a tune-up is a term that I can throw out there because maybe my technicians aren't really good at diagnosing. They don't know how to diagnose, so they don't know how to tell you if your #1 cylinder is bad or if your #4 ignition coil is bad. So instead of just finding what the actual problem is, they tell you, hey, you need a tune-up. So they just change out everything, which costs you money. A tune-up can also mean I have high overhead. So guess what? In order for me to make a profit, I have to charge you more money. So guess what term I throw out there? You need a tune-up. Now I'm going to introduce you to Miss Rachel, and she's going to tell you the questions that you need to be asking the next time a mechanic or another shop tells you that you need a tune-up.
Alright guys, I'm Rachel with You Do It Auto Repair, and the 3 questions you want to ask when your repair shop throws out the word tune-up is 1, what is a tune-up? 2, what steps did you take to diagnose my vehicle? And 3, what items are you replacing and why?
Okay, so now you've heard from me, you heard from Rachel, and I still don't know what a tune-up is. Rachel, do you know what a tune-up is? So, stop being victim of the word tune-up.
Make sure that you're asking the questions. It's the easiest way to identify whether or not your mechanic knows what they're talking about, and you get the pertinent information that is for your vehicle, not a general term that's used for anybody and everybody to make extra buck. And if your mechanic isn't able to answer those questions, give us a call. Find us online at youdoitautorepair.com. We're on Facebook and Instagram. And be sure to ask about our new membership program. For $29.95 a month, you can have access to a fully professional shop to do everything that you need to work on.
So, I'm Marcus, this is Rachel, we're You Do It Auto Repair, and you are your car's best mechanic.
Oh, you can do